Collectors' expectation for details and realism of the casting has risen over the years. This is especially true for mid-price and premium category castings. Apart from mini cars, accessories also play a very important role. Diorama settings and photography is the way to go, and today's previews are the handmade car leaf from our maker Dream Customs, from their renowned desktop car park, the ease of use Hako light box, and now the car leaf to enhance your photography with just a simple click on your smartphone. Big thanks to Dream Customs for sending this for my preview. The workshop car leaf are now available to pre-order from their Webstore. You can refer to the link down below in my comment section. And this car leaf looks amazing from what they've shown on their website, from close-up to angular shots, including dynamic perspective. All these are made very convenient together with their Hako light box. No professional DSLR camera needed. What you need are just your smartphone to create stunning photography for your social media posts. Regardless of which color you choose, it will serve as a perfect companion for your beloved mini cars. Not just limited to mini GT castings, the car leaf are able to work with other brands such as Tarmac Works, Tomica Limited Vintage, Tomica Premium, Hot Wheels Premium, and so on. I always go close up to my video so all of you can see clearly the very nice details that's been handcrafted. The details on the grip and also the legibility on the safety decals are important for close-up photography. Not forgetting the awesome paint job for the overall car leaf. One thing to note, as these are all handmade, to expect some slight variation, and just like many other detailed model cars, they are extremely fragile, so do take great care, especially when you are handling it. And this static car leaf in ABS plastic will be shipped out in a metal box. The double deck car leaf also has the same level of details as the single deck. Again, fantastic details on the grip, including legible warning decals that's essential for close-up photography, and also the consistent paint job and color similar to the single deck car leaf. For a handmade car leaf in the scale of 1:64, the details are stunning and it looks great even without any casting on it. The car leaf are able to pair with any 1/64 or equivalent casting. In this case, I use the Mini GT casting, and that's the GR Supra Advanced. Positioning of the mini car on both car leaf are very effortless. You just need to optically align it and you'll feel right in place and right at home. Not just from afar, the car leaf looks fantastic on close-up photography, just like what I anticipated. Very industrial look, and it looks perfect with any workshop setup, including mini figurines. Looks fantastic either as a standalone for the single deck or double deck, or best still, you can present them as a pair with a larger diorama base with more mini cars. I'm now using a realistic garage setup from third party, and the Dream Customs double tier car leaf looks perfectly at home and gel into a world of realism. Addition of a minifig is definitely a bonus. In this case, it's from a Tomica Limited Vintage. You can slowly accumulate your minifigs and accessories for a more comprehensive photo shoot, and also expanded diorama setting. With the right setup using your imagination, the photography is simple with just a click on your smartphone. If your photography accessories are limited and also the settings are not that big, best is to go for close-up. Angles such as these are perfect. You can really focus onto the casting, and the car leaf is just a perfect companion and also an add-on for you to tell your story. Of course, you can add as many accessories as you fancy with the right art direction. You just need to toy around with it and play around with the layout. Just a tip, do not overcrowd your setting with many accessories. It's going to be looking overcrowded and looking very chaotic, which doesn't really look appealing. A minifig is always a bonus to be added on to your photography. Overall, the single and double deck car lift is another awesome release from Dream Customs. There's a color for every collector, for every setting. And be sure to check out more information on Dream Customs Webstore and pre-order now. You can refer to the link down below in my comment section. Stay tuned for more hot customs features and discussion. And remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone. Bye.